Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
On Monday, the 29th of August 2022, the All Jaintia Midday Meal Workers Union, Jowai, had gathered for a sit-in protest near the Additional Secretariat, Shillong, though they were later moved to the area near the office of the Meghalaya Board of School Education, Shillong. The protest is against the state government's deaf ear to the demands of the workers. It may be mentioned that a memorandum to the same effect had been submitted to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya on the 11th of August 2022. Speaking to reporters on Monday, the advisor of the Union's Central Executive Committee, K. Pariat, informed that the members of the Union will stage a protest on the 29th and 30th of August 2022 till their demands are met. The midday meal workers have been demanding enhancement of salary under the PM Portion scheme from Rs 100 to Rs 900 from the state share, and also for payment of an entire 12-month salary instead of 10 months in each year. Pariat also reminded the fact that while government servants are being paid an advanced salary in December every year, the teachers are also paid for the months during the winter holidays, and therefore the midday meal workers find it fitting for the government to pay their salary during the winter vacation so they too, like all others, can partake of the festive season with family members.
Hadu baga sarkar kan ayangi daga jing tha bat kan pantrai kam ya kan daga jing pan ka jung kata teka ikwi lanti sakawai ngan ong bansai manai blangi ong banai December ka sarkar klem seo ka ong bam long school bam dan khanna kadai chuti rai ngi bo ka jing kali ba kinoi kai pan ki bai kai khana school balai pisi utulab iki manai December ha bai khana school kam dan o January ro pisi Tayang ipat, yaking iyo ipat kilang-kilang ka government kasi yung katulab jong ginang tay sarkar baro haswa jong Christmas. Kasi yung kakliar ya baro gibil jong kontrakta haswa ka Christmas. Handray yang ipat kikup yung may pisa. Hatu sano kata kajing berkhan. Nimi kajing akaran padang jongi. Kiyong ba ke Christmas ho ngiru dan kampisa ban pen yo ban pen kiman yigi kon. Ba kadai ka Singi absent December kasing kayo Jesus Christ. Hatong imdan hang mo ban pen kemen. Yo ige sarkar jella kale lagi peulak ka penlon. Ban pen itenat dia ka sor Shillong. Ban pen tenat dia ka Jowai ginong stone gitura baro. Lagi peulak ka penlon. Dai tangarong phong rayang ibai tang si khandai spa ngipan ngimdan hang. Ban seo na mataw December jan rim dor hang.